everyone, this is Manjeet Kaur. I'm an IELTS trainer and provide online session for the IELTS academic and IELTS journal training. So those students who are interested to learn IELTS online, they can enroll for one-to-one session and also group session. So let's start with this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write down the task 2 in IELTS academic and also journal. As we already know, task 2 is same in IELTS academic and IELTS journal also. But task 1 is different. In task 1, in IELTS academic, you need to write down the bar chart, the summary of a bar chart or any chart that is provided to you. And in the journal, you need to write down a letter in task 1. But in task 2, it is same. For the more information about the IELTS, you can watch my video. Now let's start how to write task 2. Exactly in the task 2, you will get a different type of essay. What are these? It can be a cause and solution essay. They will provide you any heading and then on the basis of the heading you need to write down these 5 different types. It can be a cause and solution. It can be opinion. It can be agree, disagree. Advantage, disadvantage, and then discussion. Sometime in the heading, it's directly shown. It is mentioned that you need to agree or disagree with the essay. You need to write down the advantage or disadvantage of the essay, or you need to do discussion. But sometimes it's not directly shown. So in that essay, it can be your discussion, or you can get an idea from the statement that what exactly they are going to show you, what you need to write down there. So this task 2 is exactly you need to write down 250 words. If you write down 260 to 270 words, that's enough and it's very good. This is your band worthy area. In task 1, you will only get 3 band out of 3, but this is your 6 band, means you can see 66% it include. So you need to focus more on this task 2. So let's see how we can write down. For example, you have 2 headings. You have one heading. The heading of the essay is the marketing and promotion are 2 key strategy, opinion, and cause and solution. So here the most important means the part is written here. They will provide you a heading and then they will provide you this 5 different type of any 5 in any 5 of them they can provide you. So here I am giving you, do you agree or disagree? If it is only agree, suppose I have written, so what extent do you agree? So then that time you need to only write down that I agree to a certain extent, I agree, I totally agree. So you cannot be disagree with that kind of statement. If you need to disagree, then it's mentioned, should be mentioned here that are you agree or disagree. If it is not there, then you need to stay only agree with this statement. Okay, you can be a partially agree, you can be totally agree, so it's depend upon you. So now this is your headline, this is your statement, how you can write down this. So like in this, when you write down, you need to make 4 different paragraphs. First paragraph is your introduction, second is body paragraph 1, and then body paragraph 2, and then conclusion. These are 4 statements, 4 paragraphs you need to write down in your task 2. Introduction should be 60 to 70 words. Conclusion should be 30 to 40 words. And the left over word you need to conclude in your body paragraph 1 and 2. Exactly In this task 2, body paragraph 1 and 2 are band worthy. You need to keep focus more on these instead of intro and conclusion. So let's start how you can write down the intro. In intro exactly, this statement is already mentioned. What you need to do, that is the rephrase this statement. You need to rephrase this statement and then you need to write down as an intro in your task 2. Yeah, definitely you can rephrase this heading, but after that this heading you need to write down next line that I agree with this paragraph to a certain extent, or I disagree with this paragraph to a certain extent, whatever means, like whatever this is here, you need to rephrase that also. You need to agree or disagree, cause solution. That is the next thing that you add into the introduction. After that, your body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2 started. So here I am only agree with this concept. So I need to mention only the strategies, these two strategies, marketing and promotion. I can add the points about this in both of the paragraph because I already agree with this. So I cannot say means what are the reason to disagree or whatever, etc. So I need to focus only on the agree side. So in the first paragraph, for example, I can mention how we can do marketing of a business. It's about marketing and strategies. So here I can discuss about the marketing and promotion. How can I do of my success to become a successful business person or to make my business successful. So in the body paragraph that I mention, how can I do? In the body paragraph 2, I can mention if I don't do and then what can happen, or this kind of statement I can give. I can also write down one example. Either you can write down in body paragraph 1 or you can write down in body paragraph 2, because this is only an agree statement, so you can only mention any one of them. But if it is agree or disagree, then with the agree concept you can write down an example in the body paragraph 1 and one example in the body paragraph 2 to disagree with the concept. So body paragraph 1 and 2 are more focus area. And then conclusion. Conclusion is only 30 to 40 words. So you need to be only conclude. You need to write down that it is to be concluded that this marketing and promotions are most important factor for a successful business. I agree with this. This is exactly conclusion and introduction. Somehow it can be same, but try to keep the wording different so you can make sure you can get the band. Otherwise, if you are writing the same line again and again, so you cannot score the band properly. So that's all you need to write down in the task 2. But here, most important, how exactly examiner gave you the band. Examiner firstly check your coherence and cohesion. That is means overall, how did you get the paragraph? How was your task? How information did you give here? So you need to focus overall coherence and cohesion. And second is vocab and grammar, we can see. So these are the 3 things you need to keep in mind. Grammar, try to add passive voice as much as possible. Means it should not be like you are writing all in the passive voice. No. For example, we can start the introduction with the passive voice. We can start body paragraph 1 with the passive voice. You need to write down at least 4 to 5 lines in a passive voice in the paragraph. In whole task. And then grammar should be up to mark. And this paragraph exactly, this essay we need to write down in formal language. So you need to focus on your vocab also. So keep focusing on writing, keep practicing on it. As much practice you do, that much you can become good overall in this. So that's all for the task 2. For the task 2, different type of task 2, you can take classes from me, or I will post a video on different tasks that you can also see there and improve your writing. I hope so. This video you get it. Thanks for watching.